Hello and welcome to another Monkey Makes 3D modelling tutorial in Blender. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, because it helps the channel pop up in searches. Here we go! Okay, so... want to do this a sec. One side. Don't go all the way around the car. Basically what I'm doing is just putting a dull texture on here, like the wheel wells and that. Alright, that was called underside. There we go. Line that. Change the colour in a second. And do the same with this one. That one. Right. Right, so that's not going to have any reflection whatsoever. We'll specular that. And then don't want it fully black. Just want it an off black bit. Just for the under side of the vehicle. Seeing things here. Probably best to explain what I mean by seeing things. Yes, yeah. Suspension's cutting into the tyre. We'll move it left a little bit. It's making these really skinny and pathetic looking though. Oh, you know why? And have you also, right, all on that though. Bring it out a little bit. What's the point of having the wider wheel arches otherwise? You know what I mean? Better. One. Now maybe since that's shiny, she'll put the chrome back on these. Material sign. What one should we put on? Metal chrome there already, but I think that's a dull looking one. No, it looks alright. Like that metal, isn't it? Instead of that metal. Yeah. Let's try on that. Maybe that. Faffing on, aren't I? I'm supposed to be doing the windows. Right, see where that's missing there now. About to put a one on there. So tighten that into that. Lovely. Right. So F2, name that window rubber. Windscreen rubber. Oh, it's a windshield. What we're naming it, John. Johnny P. You know who you are. Windshield. Windscreen. Tricky one. Feel like these need to slide back a little bit. Just a squidge. And doors aren't opening. So that's a chrome strip for the door window to go into, and that rear quarter panel window. It's 3. Oh, come on. Want that one and not that one. Thank you. So median, Shift S, cursor selected. Shift S, cursor to selected. Works when you do the right one. So from there, I'm going to go Control A, we add because it's huge. Not going there. 0.02. Right. Let's see how that actually works. How does that work? I don't know how that works. Is the door shuts? Is that at the? It's got to be at the back, doesn't it? Yeah. So I'm going to guess at the window comes into the top of the door, and then there's the interior door card. Right. So let's put him here. Getting confused. Yeah, Shift S goes to the world origin. Control A set origin to 3D cursor. Right click mirror, mirror X. That way. We can work on it as we can see that. don't think it's that big, is it? Leave it. Right, so it's, I'm going to say goes straight back, comes out, now twice the distance as the front. I need to right, so GG, slide it the wrong way. Finger and alt, slide it back the other way. We'll do that. About whole line, GG, slide it the wrong way, alt, slide it back the other way. Gets to that edge there. Right. Then we want another that in there. Next one. One of that. Extrude Z. Excuse me. Appears that that needs to be down here a bit. Let's have a look at that mirror again. What's going on with this? Slide the wrong way. Alt. Back. Close up that short line a bit. GG. Nope. Not that one. Oh, GG. Yeah, that needs another one in the middle, doesn't it? Which could be a problem because they don't have one in the middle there also. Matter? Say it the wrong way. Alt. Say it back the other way. Oh, not there. Same on that side. So easily distracted. End up doing something else. GG, slide it the wrong way. Alt, slide back the other way. Right. Looks too close here now. Yeah. GG. Right. Does that mean these have to go forward a little bit? Let's see. Can't see what angle that goes at. That's annoying. Oh, just gonna have to play by eye. All of them on me. Extrude. Local half here. See how that extrudes that again. Top. feel that needs to go there. Feel that needs to go forward a bit as well. Ooh, get that one left in there. Rotate X just to get a similar sort of angle there and take it into there. It'll probably be slightly hidden anyways. Move it over. A bit of a twist on, so that'll disappear into the roof interior, the interior roof. Right, so didn't get much done that time, did we? Well, let's save and catch you in the next one.